Adamson, like one salesman is there, salesman. So furniture, this Kodak company required furniture, some so business order, chairs, furniture, chairs related order, he has to get. Okay, Adamson, he visited Eastman, George Eastman, Kodak founder, sir. James Adamson wanted a very important business order. He want to supply chairs for the buildings being constructed by Eastman, the founder of Kodak. Before the meeting, the architect wanted Adamson. Do you know, this person, Kodak founder, is a very busy man, very busy. Okay, because he's the very busiest person. Only 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes you will get the chance to talk. In 5 minutes only you require to complete your deal. Like, so his PA arranged a meeting with Kodak founder, with this Adamson, who want to provide the chairs for his construction, furniture for his constructed house. Then the meeting was started. Most salespeople would have rushed straight into their sales presentation. Sir, we are providing that furniture, this furniture. You know, we provided already for so and so person. We are the king in that area. If you are not going to provide, if you are not going to take from us, definitely you are going to miss something. Something like use of this type of, usually the people are going to use. But this Adamson choose a different approach. When he entered the office, he looked around the office and sincerely admired the beautiful woodwork. Sincerely admired the beautiful woodwork. He said, the Adamson told to Kodak founder, I have never seen such type of beautiful office. I never saw such type of beautiful office. Like, what you would work, man. Like this Adamson told to George Eastman, the Kodak founder. Eastman face brightened. He felt very happy and he started explaining. Okay, he started explaining. So this is English work. This is the English work. Next, this is the handmade carvings, handmade carvings, the design of the room, and so everything is explaining. It is from France we imported. It is from Italy we imported. It is from so and so. This much effort we kept for this to create this office. Each and every corner my impact is there. I told clearly this is about my requirement. Okay, like he started explaining all these things. The Adamson sincerely appreciated something even greater. He praised Eastman's generosity in building hospitals, schools, and helping society. He's creating schools, hospitals, and helping the society. He praised. Okay, Eastman was deeply touched. Deeply touched. The conversation continued. Eastman showed his very first camera, his early struggles, his childhood poverty, his experiments that lead to Kodak. He showed everything, man. That day he felt very happy. He showed. Adamson listened with genuine interest. The meeting was actually planned for how many minutes? The meeting planned for how many minutes? Only 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. But they spent 2 hours. They spent 2 hours, man. Eastman invited him. Eastman invited him to his home for the lunch also. Next, he ever proudly showed the chairs. The Eastman proudly showed, oh, this is the chair, have you observed? I only painted with my own hand. He showed very proudly. Have you observed this chair? I only painted with my own hand, like. connecting to the heart because his inner value this person gave importance. Finally, what happened is that Adamson got a $90,000 order. $90,000 order he got, and both became best friends. Remained close friends until Eastman's death. They became lifetime friends, man. So appreciating opposite person, recognizing opposite person's hobbies, like appreciating his hobbies, like how much benefit you are going to get. Observe that.